Hi, this is Teresa from dearcreatives.com, and I've got an easy 5 or 10 minute craft for you today for spring, and you could use this for your decor. All you need is a mason jar of any size, some speckled eggs, these are plastic. I've also decoupaged some wooden eggs, and this tutorial is on the blog already. I've used this in previous displays for Easter and DIY home decor. Now for this one, you will need the lid for your jar and the ring, some scrap paper in spring colors of your choice, some kind of wired ribbon. I like this velvet ribbon also for an accent, scissors, and a pencil. That's all you need. You basically are going to fill your mason jar with the of your thing and on the lid, and place the lid right over it. So now you've got this. You could even spray paint this if you'd like with any color spray paint, but the reason I haven't spray painted it is we have this ribbon. So you're going to take the ribbon and take about probably 3 times the amount after going around it. Of course, you could fill a jar with candies for the kids, or colorful candies, or anything else that you would like colorful for Easter, and then just kind of shape the bow by puffing it up until you get the shape that you want. You can fold that over to get a nice finish and use a hot glue gun there. And of course, you could fool around and get the bunnies going in one direction, or use a non-directional print, but just for getting it done to show you. There you go. For the velvet ribbon, before you place that bow on, you could put a strip right there and hot glue it in place. So I'm just going to measure out, overlapping just a little bit for gluing purposes. And later I'm going to go back and hot glue this in place. You can see the finished one after I'm done. I'll have it in here. This is not. But there you go. 5-minute Easter egg mason jar craft. I'll have some pictures at the end of this. Let me know how you like it. This is super easy to do and great budget-friendly decor for Easter in your home. You can place it on a dining table with plants or other items, flowers, artificial flowers coming from the top. Think of all the different things you can do with this. Thanks for viewing. Find projects like this and other crafts on dearcreatives.com. Okay, back here, and I thought I'd show you how I'm going to get the velvet around the ribbon, around the jar lid. I thought I'd try some tacky glue before hot gluing. Give me more opportunity to change it out if I didn't like it. So I'm just going to squeeze some tacky glue onto the ribbon itself, and then wrap it around the back side of the jar. And then, since I might change it out, I'm just going to put a little on the opposite end that's going to overlap. And holding it in place. This lid back on, and then we can make any adjustments. So that's a little trick for getting those jar lids back on when you have a bow that you've made already that is perfect for your craft. And then just move that around to where you need it. I'm going to slide it around so you don't see the seam. And of course, you can have this come up covering it, the wired bow. All right, so there we go. So you don't need a hot glue gun for that craft. Okay, you can use hot glue. You can make it more permanent. I hope you enjoyed today's craft. We have lots more